Is this not the cutest angle you've ever seen? Like, what? Yes, I'm having a self-care day. I'm so excited because today is a day where I'm going to be trying my T3 Aire 360. This mask is pretty much dried up. So I just took some really cute pictures today. You know, I love a self-care day, and I probably have about like 15-20 minutes maybe before my baby wakes up and I have to get back to my real life. But you know, I gotta take a moment for myself. Okay, so let's get to it, girls. Okay, this light pink color is literally made for me. Like, it's the ultra girly girl vibe. I'm so excited. I've heard so many really great things about just Airwrap technology in general, but specifically T3. I am a lover of all of their products. I have curling irons, flat irons, hot rollers. Like, I am a T3 stan. So I am so excited to try this out, and we're gonna put her to the test and we're gonna see what she's really giving. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the sun to go down because it's actually like painful and aggressive, and but I just want to give you guys a little update on some things that I just recently purchased that I'm like obsessed with, because as you know, that soft pink color is like everything girly, everything feminine, which is everything me. And I literally got the Emmy J hairbrush. And hold on, let me clip her on me so I can have hands free. And the clip! You guys, these have literally been on my wish list for so long, and I'm so happy that I finally was able to get them during Sephora's sale, their last sale of the holiday season. These two are just like the ultra girly, and they're such great quality. I can't wait to have this rhinestoned with my initials on it. Like, I just love being a woman. I love being a girl. It's literally the best, most fun experience ever. I also, during the Sephora sale, was able to get some Gizu. I have been trying to get my hands on Gizu for so long, but I just couldn't bring myself to spend like $28 on a lip gloss. But I'm obsessed with the quality of these. I'm obsessed with the color. It's just so feminine and girly. And I mean, look at it, the packaging. I mean, hello. That come on. Like, let's not lie. I do buy things for aesthetics. I really, really do. But I love aesthetics and purpose, and Gizu does that from the reviews and stuff that I've seen. So I'm really excited to try these. I have the lip gloss on now. Here, let me zoom in so you guys can really get a look. Oh, the sun is getting better. And then I gotta take this mask off because she's pretty much dried up. But like, how pretty. Just a cute little shimmer, nothing crazy. You know, sometimes you just need something cute and easy and modest and just pretty and understated, okay? Sometimes that's just what you need. Those are my recent purchases. These two came in a duo. I got these in the Sephora sale also. That's 20% off. Oh, and I got two more things. Hold up, let me go get it, hold up. I recently became a stan of Too Faced. I originally, if you guys follow me on TikTok, you saw that I did a review on this Too Faced blush. This is the Cloud Crush blush, and this is in the color Berry. This is the Cloud Crush blush in the color Berry Dream. It's supposed to be like a diffused matte color. First of all, this packaging, are you kidding? Look how freaking beautiful that is. How pretty. This blush alone made me like it just made me fall in love with blush. And I loved blush before, but like there's just something, first of all, like I said, the packaging. How gorgeous is this packaging? It's literally like you put this on your vanity and you just feel like a princess, and I'm all about that. And so I had my little gift card because, again, if you follow me on TikTok, I was in the search for a bronzer, and this LYS bronzer really, I don't know. It just, this color or something, the girls out there told me to try LYS, and I really did not fall in love with that. So that's actually getting returned. But I went back because I got my, gift card. So I was like, okay, I really want to try to do that like Kylie Jenner pink, like that hot pink blush look, but on my deep complexion. And oh my God, this is getting crazy. Okay. And I found the ultimate duo. So these two are from Too Faced, and I'm gonna put the swatches of it right here. That's not even gonna do it justice. I'm probably just gonna do I will do a TikTok video on these two combos together. So if you're interested, make sure you go and follow me on TikTok and prepare to see that video, because these two together, it is just giving like warm, like that light pink goodness on my deep complexion. Anyways, okay, let me take this off because we're about to try the T3 Aire 360, y'all, and I can't wait. Yes! Oh my God, I love a good face mask. Wow. Ugh. The T3 Aire 360 came with all different types of attachments, a blow dryer, a round brush, and 2 of these barrels. There's 3 different heat settings and 3 different blow dryer speeds. I am going to just start by sectioning off my hair, and we will start with the front. Let me back this up a little bit. Excuse the mess in the back, guys. This is we need to move because we do not have enough space for all of us and all of our baby stuff. Anywho, okay. Here we go. Okay, so it's on the highest heat setting, and I'm gonna start on the lowest. Hold on. Let me not have this on and talk. So I'm gonna start on the highest heat and the lowest air flow and see what that does. I don't know. This is purely just testing. I've never used one of these before. Okay. What is happening? Wait, hold on. Okay, that just blew my hair around. Wow, this is hot. So let me try using, wow, this is hot already. Holy crap. Okay, so I probably should have read the instruction manual. Where did I put that thing? Let me read the instruction manual because I need to figure this out. Oh, okay, so there's 2 different barrels. One's for the left and one is for the right. All right, let me properly section off the right side of my hair so that, oh, there we go. Okay, I see. Okay, so that is a curl just from the lowest setting. Let's try the highest blow dryer because I think that might make a difference. There we go. Okay, wow, that's actually really pretty. So now I'm going to wrap her up here. There we go. So she can cool. Okay, first one done. Not a terrible job. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my head and you guys can watch me figure this out. Okay. The right side of my head is done, so now I think I should switch out the barrel to the left barrel. Okay, I'm quickly learning that you need to do small sections. Like that was too big of a section for the whole dryer to catch it. Yeah. I'm running out of pins. Okay, so I think for the top of my head, the arrow is pointing like this way. So I either have to like, I think I should switch it to the other one, but let's just try it. Let's see. Like, yeah, okay, so you see how it like grabbed it and wrapped it towards? I need it to go the other direction. So I'm gonna switch the barrels. So I guess whatever direction you're pointing it in, whatever the direction the arrow is in, is the direction the hair is gonna go. So just keep that in mind when you're doing it. You have to put it at an angle. Like it does not work if you just put it straight up and down. Like if you try to put it parallel to your head, it's not gonna grip the hair. So make sure that you're using it at perpendicular. Oh, okay, clearly don't know the difference between parallel and perpendicular, but as long as you have it as an angle, this is parallel to your head. Make sure that the wand is parallel to your head. If you have it perpendicular, it's not gonna grab the hair. Okay, last two sections. Okay, shoot. Okay, now I have to switch it again. I have to get used to this. There's definitely a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get it, like the curls are gonna be gorge. I can already tell. Like it's already giving bombshell and I have not even done anything to it. Yeah. All right, last piece. Shoot, okay, hold it at an angle. See, this part I need to go up like this, so I think I need to switch the barrel again. Come on. Okay. Oh my God, I'm losing my son so fast. Oh, girl. Oh my God. I'm losing my son so fast. Okay, this is the finished look. Wow, the sun actually looks perfect right now. This is it's all pinned up. And I'm gonna let it sit for like 10 minutes so that all the curls can like cool down. And then we will do a little reveal. And hopefully I still have some sun left. So I'm not showing this to you guys in the pitch black, but if that's the case, I'm just gonna move to my bathroom and then we'll do the reveal. Okay, so the back has cooled, so I'm just gonna start taking these out. I am on day 2 of my fresh silk press, so I'm actually not going to use hairspray at all, so we can keep her silky, but let's start taking them out. So pretty. Wow. Okay, I love the Aire 360. Are you guys seeing this bounce? This is insane. Like, what? Okay, haven't brushed it out. This is the bounce. Oh my God. That is insane. This is actually like a freaking blowout. Okay, now I don't. What? Wow. Okay, now this is some gorgeous hair. Y'all, are you seeing seeing that? I don't. Oh, if you do not have one of these, baby girl, I thought it was hype. I really, really did. I thought that it was like, it doesn't really even do, it's not even like, why can't I just use a regular curling iron? No. This is giving blowout. And this is on a 2-day soak press. Literally day 2. Yeah. Wow. The T3 Aire 360 is that girl. Look at this hair. This is actually insane. Wow. 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 That's, wow, you guys. Wow. If you have layers, oh girl. Thank you so much, T3, for sending me this. This is like the most gorgeous iron I own. Anyways, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and remember, stay chic, stay fabulous, and stay fierce. Deuces.